and maintaining order, various environments. During your time here, you will receive comprehensive training to equip you with skills and knowledge necessary for success in your duties. This includes understanding security protocols, using surveillance equipment, conducting patrols, and responding to emergencies with confidence and professionalism. Our organization values and integrity, vigilance, and proactive communications. As security guards, you are not just observers, but also ambassadors of safety. Your presence and actions will reassure our clients and the public that they are in capable in hands. Remember, effective security is a team effort, collaboration with your colleagues. Effective communication with management and clients and continuous improvement through ongoing training will be key to our collective success. We can uphold the highest standards of security and make a positive impact on those we serve. I look forward to working alongside each of you and witnessing the contribution you will make to our organizations. Let's make safety our priority and strive for excellence in everything we do. Before we end, always remember our primary role is to protect people, property, and enforce rules and regulations to ensure safety. Once again, thank you and good morning. Ano na lang tayo, before we end,